Come to remove this text. I want to set it for my mobile desktop.
No problem. First, use the lasso tool to select the text. Then click the coloring range in the editing. Click the text color, expand the tolerance and confirm. Extend by 2 pixels. And finally, the content is recognized and filled. Then the text is removed.
Come here, my hand trembled when I took the photo. Help me make it clear.
Okay, first find the ruler tool and draw a straight line along the fuzzy angle. A is the fuzzy angle, L1 is the fuzzy pixel. Perform the filter, sharpen, smart sharpen, and select the motion punch. Change the angle to 30 radius 16. Well, then the picture becomes clear. What are you doing?
I'm doing the puzzle effect. It needs one piece together.
Oh, get up. I'm gonna teach you a little trick. Prepare a picture you like. Create a new 300x300 white canvas. Pull out 2 middle reference lines. Execute the marquee tool. Draw a rectangle in the upper right corner. Fill black. And then draw a circle with the elliptical marquee tool. Delete the black below. Move the positive circle to the bottom. Fill black. Ctrl+J, copy this layer. Ctrl+C, rotation angle. Move it to the bottom. Hide the background layer. Click Edit, define the pattern, optional naming, and back to the prepared picture. Create a new blank layer. Click Shift+F5 to fill it. Select the preserved definition pattern. Fill 0, add bevel and relief here. Probably numerical reference here, and edges. The effect is completed.
Are you serious?
I'm wearing stockings for her.
This effect is too fake. Let me do it. First select pen tool. Frame the outline of the leg. Ctrl-J to copy the selection. Create a new 10x10 canvas. And use brush tool. Draw across. Click Edit. Define the pattern. Confirm. Then return to the finger layer. Click the pattern. Select Custom Pattern. Confirm. Press and hold L. Click to create clipping mask. Change the layer's blending mode to multiply. Finally adjust opacity and down.
Aren't you good at Photoshop? Can you turn day into night?
Easy, see carefully. First, quickly select the sky in the toolbox. Copy a layer. Drag in a sky picture. Hold down the Alt key to create a clipping mask. And finally, click on the image. Adjust. Match the color. Select current layer as source and select background as layer. Here's the night effect.
Oh, my Photoshop can't be used anymore. What's wrong?
That's because you've forgotten these items when you install Photoshop. Open Photoshop and find the performance in the preference. Drag the blue bar to about 90%. Then change the history status to 50. In the temporary storage disk, check Add Disks and uncheck the C driver. Okay, this way we won't get stuck when running Photoshop.
My girlfriend asked me to make a picture made of 1,000 images. More than 1,000 pictures. I think I will not see the sun tomorrow.
I will do it in 10 seconds. First, we cut 30 photos into a 1:1 square. After cutting, click on the file, Auto, Contact List. Select the folder you just cut. Uncheck these 3 places. Change the number of columns to 5 and the number of lines to 6. Then we get a picture like this. And then click Edit, define pattern, optional naming, open an image. Click on the small circle pattern. Select it, scrolling down. Change blend mode to soft light and will you get a 1000 image effect. On the file, Auto.
What are you doing?
The boss required water droplet. I'm on it.
Come on, get up and let me teach you a trick. First, create a new layer. Draw a black ellipse. Use the liquefaction tool to liquefy the ellipse into the shape of a water drop. Turn on the blending options. Reduce the opacity to the lowest. Add bevel relief. Adjust the value. Add the inner shadow. Adjust the blocking. according to the size. Hold a sec, there's one more step. Load water drop selection area, copy layer, and finally found filter, distort, spherize. Adjust number. And water drop is ready. Ellipse. What are you doing?
I'm studying how to do this poster cutting. It's too difficult.
Come teacher and I will teach you a trick. First use pen tool to select the upper part of the flute. So that a cut poster is ready. To select the upper part.
Isn't this just picking up the character? Just use the magic word tool to deduct it.
How the hair still has background. Let me do it. First use lasso toolbox to select carrot. Then click to select and cover. Use brush to paint the edge. Click to purify the color and confirm. Then the character will be deducted. Add some. Today I will teach you a simple and easy way to turn on the light. First, the center point is brightest, so with brush tool to draw in the middle. Change the blending mode to color dodge. Turn on the blending option and cancel the transparent shape layer. When doing the surrounding light, use the brush to draw around. The blending mode is color dodge, and then turn on the blending option. Uncheck the transparent shape layer. This way, the light will be more natural and beautiful. Have you learned it?
Come here, stay up too late at night. Can you help me get rid of this black eye?
Easy going. First copy the original image to a layer, and then perform other operations in the filter. High contrast preservation, about 2 pixels. Then create a new layer. Create a clipping mask on the above layer. Turn the mixing mode to linear light. Select brush tool to absorb skin color. And smear the part you want to brighten, so that the black eye will be removed.
Come here, paste this image on the box.
Sure, no problem. First, we Ctrl A to select the image. Ctrl C, copy it, and create a new layer. Click Filter Vanishing Point, create a plain along the edge of the box. Press Ctrl to drag it, create all the grading. Ctrl V, copy it, drag the image onto the box, adjust the position. Finally, turn the blending mode into multiply. The effect is complete. What are you doing, Waddy?
The boss asked me to do an image matching. I'm just doing so.
Using the pen tool to cut the picture. Here's the first one. Move over, let me do this. Button up the hair. The right way is using the lasso toolbox to select the dot. Click select and cover. Use the second brush on the left to paint the hair edge. Click on the purification color. Okay, the dot button down. Let's change the background color to see the way it goes.
Come here, your fans want to see how to change hair color.
Easy job. First, we select the hair area. Click select, select and cover it. Smear the hair edge with brush. Click clean color. Confirm. The hair will be pulled off. Create a new layer. Fill a color. A clipping mask will be created, and the mixing mode will be changed to the positive lamination button, and the effect will come out.
To see the way it goes. When dimming the girl in the backlight, we usually just use the curve to lighten it up, but we found that it's not working well. The right way is Ctrl-Alt-2 to bring up bloom in the picture. Ctrl-J, copying it and change the blending mode to filter. Still not bright enough? You can also copy a few more layers, and the fill will come out.
Do you think my lipstick beautiful?
That looks like too fake. Get up and let me do it. First of all, we use a lasso tool to select the outline of lips. Create a new layer. Add the color. Click Filter Blur Gallery and filter the blur. Pull the slider and use eraser to erase the redundant parts. Then change the normal mode to multiply and double-click the layer. Press and hold Alt key to drag slider, then the lipstick will be colored. I'm just asking you to put a background on the character. Why is it taking you so long?
Boss, I can't draw.
Who told you to draw? Get out of the way, let me show you a little trick. First, click sharpen in the filter, Smart Sharpening. You can refer to my numbers here and find the stylization in the filter. The diffusion, choose the opposite sex, then click filter, filter library, select the woodcut effect. Now the texture of the image comes out. Then click Ctrl+U to bring the saturation up a little bit. Finally, add a character. That's how it works.
Draw.